So, what is it that we actually do? Well, number one, we protect families from financial hardship in the case of death or illness. As discussed, nobody wants insurance, but everyone wants what insurance does. Now, when someone dies, obviously there is an immediate cost that comes into play: burial costs, other final expenses. Then there may even be a loss of income. All of that can be offset by the right insurance product. And nowadays, people get sick and don't die. So we even have products that will pay out in the case of chronic or critical illnesses or even disability. For our Medicare age clients, only a certain percentage of their doctor and hospital bills are covered by Medicare. We provide products that will cover 100% of the remaining costs associated with any doctor or hospital bills. At the end of the day, we provide insurance products that protect families from all of these risks. Now, what niches can you focus on? What niches? We have a variety of product lineups and prospects that we market to. But as already discussed, if you really want to make the big bucks, you're going to want to focus on one niche and really master it before you add on any complementary products. The first niche that most agents focus on is final expense. We speak to mainly lower to middle income seniors who just want enough coverage to pay for their final expenses. It's an easy product to learn, can be sold during daytime hours only if you want it. Final expense prospects are usually retired or on disability, so they're home all day. So whether you want to go full time off the start and work during the day, or you're trying to start out part time and sell in the evenings, final expense is a great niche to focus on. Once we get in front of our prospects, we show them something affordable that fits within their budget to cover their final expenses, pay for their burials, and maybe leave a little something extra to replace lost income or leave a little extra money to friends or family. And you will easily bring home a $500 to $1,000 per sale. The next niche that you can focus on is Medicare. Now, there are many agencies out there that lead off with Medicare and then try to cross sell other products once they get in the house. Now, if you're already doing that successfully, we can help you scale that up. But most agents will struggle trying to focus on Medicare off the start. The commissions are just smaller. Where you can make $500 to $1,000 on an average for a life sale, you may only make $250 on a Medicare sale. Now, the long-term benefits of selling Medicare are huge because that $250 commission you made year one, you make every year thereafter. This is a great way to build up a residual stream of income. If an agent will focus all final expense off the start, Medicare is a natural add-on once they've mastered the final expense market. An agent that is taking the normal 20 to 40 leads a week can easily cross-sell 100 to 200 Medicare policies a year at no extra expense. It's the exact same prospects. You're already in front of them. And selling just 100 Medicare policies a year will add an additional $25,000 in renewal residual income year after year. So in just a few short years, you could be making $100,000 a year before you even wake up January 1. Mortgage protection is another niche that you can focus on. With mortgage protection, we reach out to folks that have recently purchased a home. They have just likely made their greatest investment ever, and they need something to cover that investment in case of death, disability, or illness. Our mortgage protection products will do just that. And our mortgage protection leads will guarantee that you are the first agent in the house. In mortgage protection, the agent that gets in the house first wins. And we will show you how to do that easily week in and week out. And as you master mortgage protection products, you can start to add in IULs, Index Universal Life products, and annuities. We will teach you how to find the money. Mortgage protection sales average around $800 to $1,000 a sale. Once you add IULs into the mix, that average jumps up to $1,400. Then annuities, they're just icing on the cake. An annuity sale can easily yield you an extra $5,000 to $10,000 cash money in your pocket with every annuity sale. You will have opportunities to sell IULs and annuities every week in the mortgage protection market. So, whatever niche you choose, we will teach you how to become a six-figure earner within the first 6 months to a year. Then, after that, the sky's the limit. Finally, I want to re-emphasize what you won't have to do while working with us. First, you will not have to make random phone calls. Everyone that we present to has expressed an interest in our products. Maybe they received a direct mail card that spoke of covering their mortgage in the case of death or illness, and they mailed it back. Or maybe they clicked on a Facebook ad about getting their final expenses covered by a low-cost burial insurance plan. Every single prospect knows what it is that we're offering and knows that a life specialist will be contacting them to go over their options. Then we will teach you how to efficiently book your appointments over the phone. Your fresh leads will come in every week, and we will show you how to organize your week into call days and field days. Just book the appointments over the phone using our simple appointment setting script, visit their home, and present the products with their options. You do not have to canvas door to door. That's called prospecting. Now, maybe you're a superstar salesman that can sell anything to anyone and you don't mind getting 99 rejections to find that one sale. But even if that is you, you're still going to excel all the more in our program. How nice would it be to sell 50 to 75% of the people you get in front of? That's what working a fresh, exclusive lead system will do for you. Most companies have you spend 90% of your time prospecting every day. We have you spend 90 to 95% of your time sitting in front of qualified prospects that are interested in what you have to offer. Listen, insurance is the best business you can be involved in. If you have the right training, tools, support, culture, and leads, you will have everything you need to create a six-figure business off the start and grow it as big as you want. So if you're ready to grow an amazing insurance business, click the button below to schedule an interview now. We look forward to talking with you.